Johnny Mullet here. I haven't heard what my exhaust tone sounds like on the bus, so I got my buddy Michael here. He's going to record the bus as I go up and down the road, so we can get a general idea how this bus sounds since the exhaust modifications and the horsepower bump. So let's check it out. I hope it sounded cool. Did it sound cool, Michael?
It did.
It did. All right. Thanks, bud. Cool. Now we know what the exhaust tone sounds like on the bus. I'm going to park this bitch and we got to get to work. Got to love that. So I really appreciate Michael taking his time there to record the exhaust tone of the bus for me, because I really had no idea what it sounded like in the driver's seat all the time. I don't know if you can hear that turbo, but man, I can hear it. It sounds good. So I don't know if I'm going to make this an episode of the repair series or the Skoolie build, but regardless, there is your video of the exhaust tone of the bus. I hope you all enjoyed. See you next time.